you have to make sure that that is the current version, because if it's the old version, they will send it back to you when you file the application or your petition. So that's one thing. Now, the other reason could be that you did not pay the correct fees. Because there is a USCIS fees that you have to send to with your application packet to the USCIS, right? And they're very strict on that one, whether it's less than or more than. Um, they will send it back to you. They will reject your filing. It has to be exact. Hindi pwedeng kulang ng kahit piso lang or 1 cent, kulang pa rin yon. Or nag-over ka ng 1 cent, sobra pa rin yon. So it has to be exact amount. So that's important because they will not process it if you did not pay the correct fees.